Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good and had a great weekend. We are back. I'm back for week 10 of reviews. So this week I looked at a few more gaming systems as far as concepts and conceptual stuff as far as trade show designs. Um, I did get a little bit more feedback as far as where I wanted to go with everything. Got some input about pushing the logo in a stronger direction. So here are some things that I put together. I'm actually adding a few more sketches as well. It's just been a really busy week of trying to bring everything together. But yeah, the new direction with the logo is stronger, it's solid, it really jumps out at you. So I started adding that to the style guide, which I ended up kind of changing that even more, following more along the lines of that Delta style guide. So I went ahead and actually got some feedback recently with the logo. So actually getting rid of that little cliff area on the very top to kind of streamline it out even more, to kind of give it a strong feel. I also got some feedback as far as doing away with my black type. So I'm actually getting ready to change. I've actually changed that. I will be updating that to the website. But that was some of the stuff that I did. I was trying to give it a clean feel with hierarchy so it didn't take away from the design. And just kind of, I've just really had a great time just kind of putting things together. With the bag design, I actually updated that. I'm just trying to get my pieces to come together and just make sure everything's streamlined and very strong for my brand that I'm trying to push. So I focused on a lot of ephemera, just things that were going to be nice for the trade show that wouldn't last forever. I show elements of do's and don'ts with the logo, like as far as not to squish the logo, not adding gradients. I've kind of heard those went out. Some people say they're coming back in. Some people say they haven't. I've also wanted to showcase the fact that with the trade show, with the TV and package design, because it just seemed like everything wasn't complete as far as it needed a video presence for commercials, with everything kind of going from TV to digital TV and streaming services. I really wanted to kind of showcase that. The box art, I reworked the logo even more. So I'm actually getting ready to update. I've actually got to update the logo on a lot of pieces. I actually got feedback on this Sunday about making some changes. But the trade show booth, this is just kind of the holder that I've got right now. I still want to put something in 3D to kind of showcase that I do work with 3D elements. The character and the machine for this I actually did put in 3D. So I guess I am still kind of, I just wanted a little bit more out of that. Let's see. My stationery, just kind of, I think I really kind of kept that the same as last week. My poster designs, I updated that. The lanyards, changed it a little bit. But all in all, I'm definitely having a great time trying to make this clean and corporate. But to be honest, 11 weeks just, it doesn't do justice, because it's really a lot of work that goes into this as far as like trying to make sure your logos are just solid enough. It just, this takes a lot of time. It takes a whole lot of time to really brand something really good. So, and that's the point. It's like I really want to get the most that I can out of this class. So, but yeah, thanks for taking the time to check out my video.